Trash Stash. How to play. The object of the game is to be the first player to clean up all of your trash. Shuffle the deck and place it face down on the table. Randomly divide up the trash, 10 pieces each for 2 players, 8 for 3 players, and 6 for 4 players. Pick a player to go first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, rotate the trash truck to face you. Then discard the top card of the deck and place a matching trash from any player into the orange trash can that matches the symbol or color. A wild means you can put any trash of your choice. Now you must turn the thumb 90 degrees until you hear the click. The trash will then get dumped into the trash truck. Sometimes the truck will chuck trash at you. If that happens, then add all the chucked trash to your pile and take another turn. If the draw deck runs out of cards, shuffle the discard into a new draw deck. The first player to get rid of all of their trash without the truck chucking it back wins.